Hi friends, this is Caitlin. I'm so happy to be here with you. You can see I'm decked out and ready for some card making magic, and that's because I can finally share with you that I have my first coloring class available now. It's called Pumpkin Patch Magic. It's an intermediate Copic coloring card making class and I am just over the moon, pun intended, that I get to share it with you today. This is an 8-part video course that's going to cover coloring pumpkins with different color blends and texture techniques, as well as coloring in jack-o'-lanterns and my tips and tricks for getting a really pretty glow. Then we're also going to be making a really fun single layer scene card that's going to tie in our pumpkins that we already will have practiced, as well as a ghost and a witch in the cutest little embrace. And I'm going to be walking you through the whole process. So from laying out your scene and stamping, all of the coloring, as well as finishing your card. And we're gonna have all of that broken into those separate videos so that you can go back and rewatch or watch at your own pace, and you will have lifetime access to these videos. As long as YouTube exists, you'll be able to watch them. There are also going to be some amazing printables that come with the class as well, including a coordinating pumpkin practice coloring sheet with digital pumpkin images care of Sweet November Stamps. And then there's also a few different color charts, one that you can fill in on your own, one that has a list of my favorite fall blends, and then my favorite everyday blends for both Olos and Copic markers. There is also, of course, a supplies list. Now, this is not a sponsored class in any way, but I have been working with Sweet November Stamps for over 5 years, and so they were gracious enough to make sure that if you shop for any of the stamps I use in the course, through my links on the supply list, you get 15% off of your entire cart, and that counts for physical and digital products, which is absolutely amazing, and I really want to thank them so much for their support. I made this class for people who already love coloring with alcohol markers, and although I will be using Copics in the class itself, I want to be clear that the techniques that I'll be using can be applied to any alcohol markers that you might be using. So this class is meant for people who already love to color with their alcohol markers and are just looking to try out some new fun fall techniques, or maybe just step up their scene coloring game. This course is going to be available as a digital download through Etsy, and if you're seeing this in the first weekend that it's available, I want you to know that there is a limited time promo code available. I'm going to put it down in the description and here on the screen. It's code MAGIC, and that's only going to be active until Sunday, August 24th, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. So if you love fall or Halloween and you love coloring, you're gonna wanna go check that out now. I'm also gonna be celebrating with a live stream on Saturday, August 23rd, because I'm just so excited about this, and I wanna share some additional color combos as a little incentive, even for people who maybe the class doesn't feel like a right fit for you. Come hang out, watch me color with me from home, and let's just have some fun and celebrate the start of fall and all things pumpkin. I am so grateful to you guys for watching and to the card making community for all of your support over the years. I found card making over 8 years ago through YouTube by watching other people color and watercolor stamped images. It got me through some of the hardest times of my life, and like I said, I'm just so grateful. If you are not super into Halloween and this kind of vibe is just not for you, I do want you to know that I am already working now on a holiday and winter version of this class with a different scene card and some other techniques. So keep an eye out for that, and if you have any requests or ideas, leave them down in the comments below. I'm so excited for fall. It is right around the corner, and so whether this course is for you or not, I want you to know that I have plenty of beautiful Halloween and fall inspired projects coming your way here on this channel in the next 2 months, and I cannot wait to hear what you guys think. I'll see you back here soon, and until next time, happy crafting and happy Halloween!